We did not have any general rain. It was just spotty, a little here, a little there, and it didn't even start doing that till May, and it's too late for the wheat. All winter long, all spring, zero. We fed all the cattle all winter without getting mud on a tire of a tractor, and very unusual. You're looking at probably 1 bushel wheat here. Absolutely not gonna harvest. Nothing here to harvest. It's in bad shape. Will not harvest this. So this is where we're at. Total crop failure. Very, very thin. Few heads. The combine just can't capture that all. It's so short, you're running your platform on the ground and it just can't harvest all that short crop. But we was trying to achieve getting some seed back to try another crop this fall. My grandson was so excited to maybe run a grain cart this summer, and I told him, I said, well, most time we'd be done with the field before 2 combines got a bin full. But he was wanting to drive it around the field and there's nothing to do.
Grandpa, do you need unloaded?
Bin thing hadn't went off yet. I was wanting to see if I could ever get a full bin load this year.
Okie dokie.
So he was disappointed, but there's nothing you can do about it. This is my 45th crop. Never been in quite this much of a situation. So far, we've never yielded what the adjuster has said. It's always been under what he had said. We had one field he thought 15, 16 did 12. It really don't pay the bill I mean, if the drought would persist, total drought, we would have to stop this. The farm can't survive. You can't put insurance on it enough to year after year after year after year. Maybe it's not the way we'd like to see it, but it'll work out one way or another. And if it's a whole change of occupation, then that's what it'll have to be. We don't worry a whole lot. We know God's in charge and He's got a plan for us and it'll work out. Otherwise, I would not be in this occupation.
Harvest 2023. We bored?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's operating the grain cart?
Boring because you don't have anything to go over to. No one's full.
Oh. We just hanging out, chilling. Ah, look over there. Where's the music?